My name is Julie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Burmese chicken curry. This recipe can be used to eat chicken curry over rice, chicken curry with a naan or chapati, but in this case I'm going to use this chicken curry recipe to use it as a sauce for a dish called Tohk, which is a Burmese noodle dish. The ingredients that you're going to need: chicken thighs cut up in 1/2-inch squares. I used about 6 chicken thighs here. A large onion, petite diced tomatoes, or you can use actually fresh tomatoes, but for convenience sake I'm going to use a can of tomatoes. Garlic, about a 2-inch piece of ginger, chili powder, plain yogurt, lemon juice, and a curry powder. Now this is not an ordinary curry powder. It's actually a Burmese curry powder, but if you don't have this, you can use equal parts of garam masala, cumin, and coriander, about a teaspoon of each. Then you're going to need your handy food processor because you want to actually cut the onion, garlic, and ginger finely. Let's get started. To prepare my chicken curry, what I use chicken thighs. It's a good combination of lean meat and a little bit of fat. In this case, I used about 6 chicken thighs, and I cut them up in about 1-inch squares. So this are basically bite-sized pieces. While you're preparing the onion, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic, you can first marinate your chicken thighs by putting it in a bag with your yogurt and allowing it to marinate and sit for a few minutes. What I did is I combined the onion, garlic, and the ginger and minced it in the food processor. And I'm going to do the same thing with the tomatoes. Now take your bag out of the refrigerator where your chicken has been marinating with the yogurt. Take half of the onions, do the same thing with your chopped tomatoes. Take your chili powder, add that. Take a tablespoon of turmeric, add that. And about a tablespoon of fish sauce. And go ahead and mix it up and set that aside for another 15 minutes. For the Tohk or Burmese spaghetti, what we're going to do is we're going to use either a angel hair pasta, spaghetti, or linguine. One of the garnishes that we're going to use for our Tohk will be rice stick chips. And it's a really easy way to make this. What you do is you get a bag of rice sticks, which is usually the yellow one. It looks like this. And I cut them down to really tiny pieces. And I will put them in a bowl, just like this. Okay? So what I do is I heat up a pan of vegetable oil. And when the pan is hot enough, all you need to do is put a few sticks in here. Just like that. And you can see they puff up rather quickly. Okay? And you scoop them out and you drain them on a paper towel. Just like that. So let's start with our chicken curry. You add a little bit of oil to the pan. Saute your ginger, garlic, and onion mix. Now that you can see that the onions are nice and soft, you go ahead and add your tomatoes. And cook this for about a minute. And now you take your marinated meats and go ahead and add that. Now that the meat has browned, add about a cup of water. Season with about a tablespoon of fish sauce. And allow the meats to cook. If it dries up, just add a little bit more water and add to your seasoning as needed. As you can see, I added a substantially more water to my sauce because I am going to use this as a sauce to my spaghetti noodles. Okay? So now what you want to do is you add the powder, the curry powder. Mix it in. Now you have to remember, this is not regular Eastern Indian curry powder. If you don't have that special powder that I showed earlier, you can just mix equal parts of garam masala, coriander, and cumin, and turmeric. Okay? Season it with a little bit of salt to taste. And a dash of lemon. Cook this for another, I'd say, 2 or 3 minutes. And then after that, we'll thicken the sauce. To thicken your sauce, I get a little bit of brown chickpea flour. Add some water to that. Mix it up. And add it to the sauce. Now we're ready to plate. You put some noodles in the bowl. Put your sauce. Garnish it with egg. A little bit of cilantro, your rice stick chips that you made earlier, fried garlic chips, a dash of lemon or lime, fish sauce to taste, and chili peppers if you like it hot. There you go, Burmese spaghetti.